and welcome to HP Calcs. My name is Rick, and today we will be looking at how to find the log of a number on the Sharp EL-510RN calculator. The standard setting for logs on our calculator is log base 10. In order to find the log of a number, we will use the second function and 1 buttons. If we want to find the log base 10 of 1000, we would hit second function, 1, to place log on the screen. Then enter the number we want to find the log for, in this case 1000. Finally, we hit the equals button and get the answer 3, which is correct. If we want to find a different log base, we would enter it as a fraction. Let's say we want to find the log base 2 of 1000. We would enter second function log 1000 divided by second function log 2 equals. This gives us 9.96578, etc., which is correct. Alright, I hope this helps and good luck on those tests.